Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by washing gently. Remove oil and makeup so medication reaches skin. Once done, dry completely and wait about 1 to 2 minutes so moisture doesn't dilute the gel. Then, squeeze a pea-sized amount of the Adapalene and Clindamycin Phosphate gel on your fingertip. Apply a thin layer to the affected zones, not just spots. Make sure to blend evenly. This ensures steady absorption and minimizes irritation because a thin film reduces overdose and improves tolerance. You continue treatment every night. Consistency matters because Adapalene remodels follicles over weeks. Once you've applied regularly, resist the urge to overuse. More is not faster and increases irritation. If redness or peeling begins, scale back to every other night, then slowly increase as skin calms. Also, make sure to skip abrasive cleansers or benzoyl peroxide at the same time. Those can inactivate clindamycin or worsen dryness. Use sunscreen each morning to protect newly exposed. You finish each night by letting the gel absorb fully before bed. In the morning, rinse and apply a gentle, non-comedogenic moisturizer, then broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. If you notice intense burning, swelling, or hives, stop immediately and contact your provider. This could be an allergic reaction needing prompt care. For persistent or worsening acne after about 12 weeks, schedule a follow-up. Your clinician may adjust concentration, add oral therapy, or switch formulations to achieve better control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.